Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to receive payments all across the world using your US bank account, even if you're not living in the US, using a Payoneer bank account. So with a Payoneer bank account you can create a UK bank account, US bank account, Japan bank account, any bank account you want without any stress, and you don't have to spend any money to do that. Now they're going to receive they're going to be collecting some few charges when you receive payments, but I'm going to show you every single thing you need to know on how to create a Payoneer fully functional Payoneer account and be able to receive money in your US bank account from any part of the world. You don't have to be in the US, you don't have to go through very tedious verification methods. I'm going to show you in a simple way. So first, if you're new to this channel, my name is Kumerikto, and this is my YouTube channel, Kumerikto. So just make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, just hit the subscription button and make sure you turn on the notification button in order to keep track of everything I release. Don't miss out on anything I release. On this channel, I speak on how to make money online, how to start your online business, and so on and so forth. So let's dive in straight into the tutorial without wasting any further time. So first, when you go to payoneer.com, just go to payoneer.com and click on get started to create your account. It's pretty much easy. After you've created your account, you're going to sign in, like I'm going to sign in right here to my Payoneer account. Once you sign in, you're going to see a dashboard that looks something like this. You're going to see a dashboard that looks something like this. And as you can see, I already have some money that I've received in my Payoneer account that I can cash out. So but I'm going to show you how this money got to this account and how I cash out the money as well. I'm going to show you how you can set up your account and have all the features I have. And if you're watching this video and you already have a Payoneer account, chances are that you don't have the features I have. You don't have this get paid, pay, withdraw, or transfer, all these other features that I have, these cool features I have. You may not have them. Bank and cards, you may have that one. Maybe some of the features you will not have it. Now they have changed the display of the dashboard. It is not the way it used to be, and so on. I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know about this new dashboard and how to get everything functional. So the first thing to do without wasting any time is create your Payoneer account. After creating your account, log into your Payoneer account and go through the process of verification that they're going to ask you to go through. Now they are going to ask you to receive a card through which you can withdraw your money, like a card that you can go to a bank and put in the ATM and cash out your money, ATM anywhere in the world, and cash out your money. They have to send that card physically to you. It's a Payoneer card, and you'll be paying charges on your transactions with the card like any other card. Now, the problem I have with this card is that the card never arrives. If your own has arrived, put in the comment section below. And if you love this video, hit the like button, ask your question below. Any worry you have, any video you want me to, anything you want me to do a video on, comment it below. I'm going to do a video on. In this video, just a reminder, it's a question somebody asked in my last video on how to do affiliate marketing and get paid in Cameroon. So if you're in that category where you have a difficulty in starting your online business or in making money online, ask your question below. I'm going to go in depth. Even things that I share only with my students, I'm going to share it with you. So once you log into your Payoneer account, let me just show you the process in which the process I use to receive my payments, and show you how you can make your account to get to that level where you will be able to receive payments. Now if I click on the get paid, it's going to take me to this section where I have request a payment, receiving accounts. Receiving accounts are the accounts from which I can receive payments that are already active. Like we could see, we have a UK and a US bank account, a UK and a US bank account like here. I can receive payment from from using a US bank account, and US bank accounts you can receive payment internationally from any company of your choice. Now, if I click on payment request send, I'm going to see the different requests that I've sent. I can request a payment using this particular option, but for now I'm not going to use that option. You just have to have access to this US bank account and this UK bank account, which you're going to communicate to your client or to your company that you want to receive payments from. Now once you communicate that, they're going to send you payments. The payments are going to arrive something like this. Once your payments have arrived, you can cash out the payment. You can click on withdraw and you'll be able to send the payment to your local bank account. Now, I think this is below the amount I can withdraw. The last time I withdrew was 200 and something US dollars. I think it should be at least 25. Let's see. Okay, let's see if I can withdraw that amount. US bank account. Okay, I can withdraw to my UBA account. Amount available for withdrawal is less than allowed minimum. Okay, so I think the allowed minimum should be 25 or so. So let's just go back. So you have to bear that in mind as well. So how did I get here? How did I create this US bank account, this UK bank account? How did I get here? There are certain steps you have to follow, and you have to follow them as I share them with you. Step 1, you need to reject the option to request for a card. The reason is not only the card incurs charges, you also incur charges with your transfers to your local bank account. Not only the card incurs charges, but the card never arrives in Africa in most cases. I think it's in rare cases that it arrives, because filling, first of all, the mailing information is a little bit confusing. And even in other countries, not just in Africa, people have to go through contacting support for that card to arrive. So I don't even want to have a card that I have to be paying charges on the card, and the card can even get missing, and the card can get compromised. I don't even want to get to that process. Now, one thing I like about my Payoneer account is that it has a two-factor authentication, which means nobody can hack the account directly without having my access to my phone number or to my SIM. So you can set up two-factor authentication. That's one of the tips. So step 1, reject the offer to request a card. Okay, it's going to be more complicated for you. 2, submit your ID card for verification. Go to the verification center. There is a place there called verification center. It has changed. They have changed the dashboard a little. So just come here and go to settings. You're going to see verification, and you're going to verify your Payoneer account. Once you verified your Payoneer account with your bank account, you need to also verify your Payoneer account with your utility bill or something. Do another verification, which is going to help you unlock more features. So they'll ask you to submit a utility bill. It could be a light bill, it could be a water bill or something with your name on it, and showing proof that you actually stay where you say you're staying. Now this is so complicated because you can be living in a house where people are sharing the same electricity line and the entire compound pays through it. You can be living in a place where, or in your own house, and the utility bill is not in your name. It's possible. So it's complicated for many young people out there. So how did I do it? How can you do it? Make sure you submit this document instead of a utility bill. Submit a tenancy agreement. Go to your landlord. If you have a landlord, go to your landlord and make a tenancy agreement with him. Even if you've already paid for the rent and it's been years that you paid, make a tenancy agreement. You could backdate it to the year in which you started living there, or you could backdate it to a year or 6 months prior to that, or you could make a tenancy agreement that is even from today or from this month and so on. And you make a tenancy agreement. Make sure I prefer you backdate it for it to be more authentic. Make a tenancy agreement. On the tenancy agreement, make sure the name of the landlord is there, the location of that house is there, the description of the house, the apartment and everything is there. Make sure the name of the landlord is there, the phone number of the landlord is there, the signature of the landlord is there, the ID card number of the landlord is there. Make sure your own ID card number is there, the same as it is on the ID card you submitted to Payoneer. Make sure that your name is there, your ID card verification number is there, your signature is there. Your name should be exactly the way it is on the document that you submitted to Payoneer. And on the tenant's name, location up, your name should be fully there as well. Make sure all these things it should be just a clean tenancy agreement having every information that they can verify. Now, once you have all these verification documents submitted, it may take a long time for Payoneer to get back to you. Now, I want you to speed up the process. Don't wait for them to get back to you. Don't wait for 2 months, 1 month, they're not getting back to you. they'll take so much time to verify your account because so many people are creating Payoneer accounts daily. And you don't want to go through that long process of waiting for something that may never arrive. Now, the reason why you don't want to go through that process is that a lot of spam accounts are being created, a lot of tickets are being opened for people's accounts to be verified. Payoneers in the business of cracking down on accounts daily, and it's so difficult to get through it. It's difficult if you don't follow the right procedure. Now, if you're somebody who is clean, you're doing clean business, there is nothing to bother about. You just want to make money online and get paid. It's simple. Contact Payoneer. You're not hiding anything. You're not creating an account that doesn't have your real name. You're creating the account that has your real name as on your document, your ID card, or your passport. Contact Payoneer. What you have to do is go into your Payoneer account, like mine, as you've seen on the screen. On your right hand side, you're going to see your customer ID. Copy that number down. Once you've copied the number down, go to this section, click on payoneer.costhelp.com. Click on it. Once you click on that, it's going to open the window where you can contact support. Now, this option passes you through a process where you can click on if your problem is the card or maybe receiving payments and so on. You can click on those particular topics and fill out a form that I'm going to give you. But this process is at times is a little bit complicated. So what I want you to do is to contact them directly. Like you call them on phone. Now, calling them on phone is the best thing to do, and it's not really costly for most in Cameroon, for example. It's not costly. It could cost about 300 francs, and you have 10 minutes of international calls for a few days, maybe for a week. You can call them and call them back if they don't resolve your issue. Now, I'll tell you what you will tell them. I'll tell you what they're going to ask you. Now, all you have to do on this particular page is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Customer Assistance, Complaints, and Disclosure Policies. Once you click there, you're going to come to this page where you can find the UK number, the Australian number, international number. The number you're interested in is this international number or this toll-free number. But I like to go with this international number. Take the international number, and you can also write them by email, and they're going to respond to you. But I think it takes longer. So what you have to do is to take the international number. Once you've taken the international number, call Payoneer. They're going to answer your call. The customer support is going to answer your call. They're going to ask you what is your name, what is your customer ID, so that they can open your account and know specifically what your problem is and be able to attend to you. So you're going to tell them what your customer ID is, and they're going to be able to access your account. Tell them the features you're unable to have. Tell them you've submitted your documents and they have been pending verification, and you want them to be verified. You've submitted everything. You don't know why. You're the customer, you're the boss. Like, you don't know what is wrong. Why is it not verified? Payoneer, verify my account. And Payoneer is going to simply tell you, we're going to review your account. We're going to speed up the verification process, and we're going to get back to you within probably 24 hours. And in 24 hours, they're going to write you an email. In the email, they're going to create a ticket immediately after your call. And they're going to write you an email. And in that email, they're going to send you information concerning your account. They're going to tell you if the documents you submitted are correct or not, or if you need to resubmit them. If the documents are correct, they may tell you they have pushed it to a department that is going to do it, process it faster, and unlock those features for you. Once that is done, it's going to be unlocked, and you'll be able to access your Payoneer account and be able to receive payments internationally. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, click the like button, and don't forget to ask your questions in the comment section. My name is Kumerik. So on my channel, I teach you how to make money online. I teach entrepreneurs how to start your online business. If you're a beginner in this online thing, this is the best place for you. You're going to find amazing videos on my YouTube channel. And like this one, you have a video on how to share content automatically on Facebook. I can share to multiple Facebook groups how to make millions online. In this video, I actually show you how I made 200 plus dollars per day. I think no euro, yeah. And how to increase your AdSense earnings, how to make money online, top 5 ways to make money online, how to create a ClickBank account, and so on and so forth. So make sure you subscribe if you've never subscribed. Thank you for watching. My name is Kumerik, and I love creating content. I love doing this. And if you love creating content like me and making money online, make sure you connect with me. Comment below. I'm going to get back to you. We're going to collaborate if you want us to collaborate. Thank you for watching, and don't miss my next video.